Hi! I promised you I would show you how I make my pumpkin bread, and I do think it's very important that you try this. If you are a fan of the flavors of pumpkin spice, you will absolutely love this. People who don't really care for pumpkin pie because of the consistency love this because it's a bread consistency, but the flavors are amazing, so good. So let's get started. Let me show you what you're gonna need. Okay, these are the items you will need. 1 3/4 cups flour, then a 3.4 ounce package of an instant vanilla pudding, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/2 cup of butter, but we need it to be melted, 1 cup of sugar, 1 15-ounce can of pure pumpkin, 2 eggs, and about 1/3 cup of chopped walnuts. I need to chop those still. And that's it. Okay, you want to heat your oven to 350 degrees, and then you will spray an 8x4-inch loaf pan with cooking spray. I use the coconut oil is what I use, just so that things don't stick. So that's how I make the pumpkin bread, and I highly recommend it. Give it a try, you will love it, and everyone you serve it to will love it also. Thanks, guys. Bye.